Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm an independent demonstrator, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com. And today we're doing a lovely die stenciling technique with the Nature's Prints and the Natural Prints dies. So normally, what you would do is you would stamp some of these things and then die cut these out. But instead, you're actually using the dies as a stencil after you stamp them, and I'll show you how to do that. Let's get started. So we're going to start with a card base that measures 4 1/4 by 11 scored at 5 1/2. So that's the card base. And then you're going to need 2 pieces of basic white that is 4 by 5 1/4. 2 of them, one for the inside, one for the outside. So we'll start with the one on the outside. So I have 3 colors and 3 different stamps. So we'll start with the Rich Razzleberry. And again, you can do some random stamping on that, so don't worry about. And random just means you can have it off the side like this. You don't have to do the entire stamp, just some of it. That's the Rich Razzleberry. And then I'll come in with the crushed curry. Then the last color is the garden green. And I'm leaving in the middle for the sentiment. So I'll do that here. I think that's good. Alright, now here's the fun part. So you're going to take your dies here and cut all 3 of the different dies out on one piece of paper and just use it as a stencil. And then you're going to put it down here. And then you're going to grab the blending brush. And then just brush it. Oops. Hold it still first. And then brush it along. Isn't that a great look? You see that? So I'm going to do the same on this one. I will hold this one still. There you go. So die stenciling. Let's do the garden green one next. Match it up. And here we go. You can do different colors, you can do the same colors. There's all many different ways to do that. And let's do the crushed curry next. Hold it down. Line it up. And just a little bit here. See if I can get that lined up right. There it is. Different angle. I love these blending brushes. I could play with them. And then, where's my sentiment? Here it is. Did this in soft suede. Could always use a thank you card, right? Heartfelt thank you. And get my Stampin' seal. Go around. The edge there. And then the other piece will go in here. If you'd like, you can also stamp that one too. What should we do? Should we do this one, this one, or this one? Let's do that one since we only did that once. So I'll do that for the inside. Let's do it on the upper side, and that way you'll still have room to write something. And I'll do the same technique because I just love it. And I'm out of camera. Sorry about that. There you go. Some more Stampin' Seal on the corners. And that is a really super simple card. Die Stenciling. What do you think? Pretty cool technique. T for top right there. So if you enjoyed this video, please like it for support, and also subscribe if you want to see more of these video tutorials to come. Thanks and have a great day. Bye.